Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch GS3 and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Honor Health application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Honor Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, tap on the device icon to open the device page, and here select your Honor Watch GS3 from the list. Now scroll through this page, find the option called Watch Face Market, and tap on More to open the market. And here we have the list of watch faces we can download. We have different categories, as you can see, and you can scroll or browse them if you want to. So find the watch face you would like to download. For example, I'm gonna open the texture zone category, so I'm gonna tap on More. Here let's find some watch face, for example time travel, and once you find the watch face and select it, on the page of the watch face you will see the download button. You can tap on it, and once it's done installing, the watch face will be applied on your watch like this. And you can download multiple watch faces if you like to, and once you download them you can tap on Me right here in the store to open the list of watch faces installed on your watch, and you can change between them by tapping on one and tapping on Apply. You can also remove the watch faces by tapping on one. And once you select the watch face, you can tap on the pen icon and tap on Confirm to remove it. Okay, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.